Hey everyone. I'm sure you all know how to make a ham sandwich, but have you ever made a sandwich and then decided you didn't want to eat it, but didn't want the ingredients to go to waste either? Worry not. For today, I will show you how to take apart that sandwich and recycle those ingredients for later use. Let's get into it. We begin by scraping the mayo off, just like when you ask them to hold the sauce and they put it on anyway, but the waiter doesn't want to take it back to the kitchen. So you watch while they scrape it off as if it fixes everything, but it doesn't. The sauce is on there, and once Pandora's box has been opened, it cannot be closed. Yeah, channel that anger. It'll probably help you scrape harder. Now the pickles. This is the most dangerous part, as you want to avoid direct contact with the pickles. So, using the tongs, place them in a safe storage container. Now you may have forgotten what this is. Allow me to remind you.
What's that, dear? I'm sorry? Cheese. His name is Cheese.
Don't worry, it's harmless, but if you're lactose intolerant, you should keep it away from chocolate milk. Ham, the key ingredient in a ham sandwich. As we all know, ham comes in little ham balls which were violently ripped apart to make your sandwich. So just roll that ham into a little ball, using some rubber bands to hold it all together. Now the bread. Nothing needs to be done here, as sliced bread is the greatest thing ever invented. Just take a minute to bask in its perfection. Finally, you have all your ingredients separate and safe from one another. If you need to use these ingredients to make something else, you're all set. Or even better, you could use them to make a ham sandwich. I don't know about you, but all this work has made me hungry. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoy this lesson, and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments below. Bye.